In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Fastlane by PayPal in Salesforce Commerce Cloud Business Manager. We'll walk through the process from start to finish in a simple, practical way so you can turn this feature on correctly and help speed up the guest checkout experience for your storefront. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Salesforce Commerce Cloud Business Manager account. Make sure you're using the correct environment before making any changes, especially if you manage both staging and production instances. It's always a good idea to confirm where you're working so your configuration updates are applied in the right place. Once you're logged in, the next step is to install or update the PayPal Complete Payments or Braintree cartridge through your code repository. This is important because the Fastlane setting depends on the correct cartridge version being available in your implementation. If the cartridge is outdated or missing, the configuration option may not appear or it may not function as expected. Take a moment to verify that the code has been added properly and that the latest supported version is in place before moving on. After that, go to the Cartridge Settings panel inside Business Manager. This is where the payment integration settings are managed and where you'll be able to adjust the feature options related to PayPal and Braintree. As you navigate through the admin area, look carefully for the section tied specifically to the installed cartridge, so you're editing the correct configuration. Within those settings, locate the Fastlane by PayPal configuration switch. Depending on your setup, this may appear alongside other payment or checkout related options, so it helps to review the labels closely. The goal here is simply to find the switch that controls whether Fastlane is active or inactive. When you find it, toggle the setting to enabled, then save your structural settings to apply the change. Saving is essential because the feature will not be activated until the updated configuration is stored in Business Manager. Once that's done, Fastlane by PayPal will be enabled, helping accelerate guest checkout by streamlining the experience for eligible shoppers. After saving, it's a good practice to double-check that the setting remains enabled, and if your workflow allows, verify the change in your testing environment before rolling it out more broadly. That's all you need to do to enable Fastlane by PayPal and Salesforce Commerce Cloud Business Manager.